Our next restorative pose is called the Mountain Brook pose. And the whole idea of this particular pose is that our body is kind of like in the angle of a wave. So feeling like, the rocks in a brook, and as the water flows over it, it's kind of like it fluctuates and moves over the rocks like a wave And so this is the kind of sensation that we want in our bodies for this particular pose. So I'm going to use 2 blankets and a bolster. If you don't have a bolster, again, you're welcome to use a big pillow, or you can actually use another blanket rolled up. It's totally up to you, depending on what you have available for you. So very similar to the very first pose that we did, we want to first place the blanket that's going to be supporting our back towards the bra strap line. So we want to gently bring ourselves down, and the knees are bent here, and then what we want to do is we want to curl that blanket up again. So very much similar to the very first pose that we did, but this time we're going to bring that bolster underneath the knees and allow our legs to just drape. So you can see that we sort of have this, the body is in that wave motion, and this is how we want to feel. So go ahead and allow yourself to sink into this beautiful restorative pose. Imagine the water washing over you, flowing like the waves, like you're the stones and the water is washing and polishing the stones. And bringing it all down the brook. And breathe. Sometimes you need to make slight adjustments, so go ahead and do that. Making sure that the tops of the shoulders are in this little space here so that they're completely free to move around. And just ask your body to go ahead and release into these supports. Mother Earth has got your back. Let her carry you. Let her support you. ready to release this pose, we want to go ahead and bend our feet, bring our feet to the mat. Go ahead and push that support out of the way. And then taking the right hand or the left hand and swinging those hips to the right and rolling onto our sides. We're going to go ahead and lift ourselves up, remove our props, and come back down into Shavasana in order to feel the benefits of that pose. We're going to go ahead and turn onto our right side, pushing ourselves up,